Back to another episode of Cooking with David in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I made these peanut butter muffins with sprinkles on top. Sit back and watch it. I need 1 1/3 sticks of softened butter, which equals out to 1/3 cups. Large egg yolk. 1/4 cup of granulated sugar or Splendid. You want 1/2 cup of brown sugar or Splendid, same as before. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm going to push the spit, turn it on, combine them together. You want to put 1/2 cup of smooth, creamy peanut butter into the processor. Put the lid back on there again. That's how we're gonna. 3 to 4 cups of milk. Okay, we want 2 cups of self-rising flour. But I thought I'd give it a little bit of color with it. I'm gonna put these into the batter and. Okay, you want to take a brush and brush down the holes before you fill them in for the cupcakes or muffins, whatever you call them. I guess it'd be more like muffins. Okay, that's what they look like before they go in. Okay, we're gonna check them out in just a little bit. Came out very poofy and big. Look at the size of that one. Look at the size of that. Oh, it's hot. Let it cool down for a little bit. I'll show you in just a minute. Let's let them cool down. We'll come back to this. I'm gonna do a taste test on this. I'm gonna grab this little small one right here. Not even as big as them, but packs a good punch right there. Look at that. Oh my God, it is so peanut butter delicious. Oh my God. I love peanut butter muffins. So moist. So delicious. Anyways, I appreciate you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you do subscribe to the channel, hit that bell until you get all my notification videos. And I appreciate y'all for watching. Y'all have a wonderful day. Oh, that is delicious. Look at that.